OK, so basically, ladies and gentlemen, in this question, what they're saying is, what exactly is the area of the shaded region? So obviously, they're talking about area, right? So the first thing that I would look at is, well, I have a rectangle, because basically there's a little more information. They're saying their tangent and everything else. So that's going to produce a rectangle when they say that lines A, B, and CD are tangent to AC, BD. I didn't write that in just to save some time. But we have a rectangle. So one of the things that I would hopefully that everybody should remember is how to find the area of a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. Right? You just multiply your length times your width. So the area of this rectangle, forget about the circle for a second. The area of the rectangle is going to be 2x times 5x. It doesn't really matter what you want to label as the length, what you want to label as the width. All right? They're just going to be both right there. Then we also have a circle. And we're talking about area. So again, if I want to find the area of a circle, I need to know the general formula for that. And the area of a circle is pi r squared, where r represents the radius. Right? Now, if we're looking at this, remember the length of a circle from directly across that is going to be what? What do we call that length directly across a circle? Yeah? Diameter, right? And if you notice, the diameter is 2x. But remember, we're talking about radius, which is only the distance from, which is half of the diameter. So 1/2 of 2x would be x. So therefore, I just have that's equal to pi times x squared. Would everybody agree with me on what I wrote? OK? So then the final question, what they're asking is, what is the area of the shaded region? Well, we notice that the circle is not shaded, correct? So if when we found the area, we found the area of this whole rectangle. So if I take the area of the whole rectangle and then subtract this area, that will give me just the remaining shaded part, right? So the area of the shaded is pretty much equal to the area of the rectangle minus the circle. So that's going to be 2x times 5x is equal to 10x squared. So therefore, I have 10x squared minus pi x squared. 10x squared minus pi x squared, which is letter B. I didn't circle. Anybody have any questions on that?